Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Spring Watch. 10 projects, 5 last week, 5 this week. We're on the 4th of 5 for this week. Go back and check all of the other ones out. Love doing this every year. Focuses on the mini catalogue that's come out on the 5th of January and runs to the end of June, and the celebration brochure which runs to the end of February. It's shorter this year. This is today's project. It's lovely. It's a fold over box. No, I'm not going to undo the ribbon. I'll never get that tied up again. But it opens like this and you can put your goodies in there. And I was inspired by my project that I did on Monday for you, which was one of my layered cards, that sort of idea on the top of a box. And I thought I'll do the same again on this. But it's using the Sweet Strawberry stamp set and the Strawberry Builder Punch. Just lovely. This was done in Real Red with Garden Green up there and Night of Navy on that part. Do you know what? I forgot to order Real Red and I have no Real Red left. So I'm going to go with Melon Mambo this time because, you know, we can have pink strawberries. Okay, you need a piece of cardstock that measures 8 by 11 inches, 20.5 by 28 centimetres. And on the long side, let me just get my scoring tool. On the long side, score it at 1.5, 4 3/4, 6 1/4 and 9.5 inches, which in metric is 412, 16, 24. Then on the short side, score it at 1.5 and 6.5 inches. Okay, right. Oops, I've got a Christmas card on my desk and I've just knocked it over. I'd show you my Christmas card, except it's not handmade. It's from one of Chris's aunts. Still lovely, even though it's not handmade. Yes, I'm filming this pre-Christmas for you to see right after Christmas. Okay, so I've burnished everything and I'm going to trim my squares. So you cut straight down the rectangle and then you cut into your square. Okay. And just keep doing this all the way around. And then when I've done this, I'm going to stamp before I build the box. And that's only because it will be easier to put the panels on first. Okay. My husband's just returned from the school run. And any second now he's going to walk in and bellow, would I like a coffee? Yeah, I would. Okay, so this panel that's going to sit on the front, this measures 3 by 4 3/4, or if you work in centimetres, I've written 3.5 by 7.5. That's not right. 7.5 by, oh, what's that going to be? 7.5 by 3.5. No, that's wrong. 7.5 by 12 centimetres. That's right. Okay. So I'm going to stamp on this, and I need a scrap of Whisper White. Oh, I put it away. Oh, he hasn't yelled up the stairs, that's good. Right, I'm going to stamp my strawberries. I'm going to have 3 of them. And then I'm going to have 3 of the little top part. Let's get some blocks. Oops. 1, 2. Okay, so let me look which way round my strawberry goes. So it's that way up. I have 1. I don't know that I'm going to get them all out without. I might have to do my 3rd over here. Because obviously the punch is going to take out other parts as well. I'm not very good at lining these up when I'm on camera, because I don't want to get my head in here. Okay, they're done, so I'm going to punch them and hope So you lose quite a bit. So that's why I spaced them. Leave that one and that one. That can go in the bin. And I need that one. Oh, I'm going to have to get that scrap. Here's some more. And then I'm going to get my, it's not, did I say garden green before? It's not, it's grand apple green. And then this one is going to punch out that way round. I have to space that one a bit too. Don't have any of those bits, they can be filed on the floor in the bin. And then I'm going to go left to right with this. 1, 2, 3. Out the bits I want, filed them on the floor as well. I will come in with a broom later and sweep it all up. Okay, and then I want to put some of my little flowers on. You can punch these as well. They're this one, and that's the smaller flower, but I'm going to go a couple of the 3 big, and there's something stuck on there. 3 big and 3 small. There are outlines for those as well, I'm not going to worry. So I'm using Pacific Point, so I'm trying to sort of stick with the same colour of red, green and blue, but that's okay. Oh, let's try that again. The emergency reverse side. All of these up. So I'm going to take a mini glue dot on each of these. Strawberry the right one around, and then finish off with a dimensional on the back of one of them, and a little bit of, what's this on, seal is good. This one over the top to elevate it, and then I think my seal's coming to an end of this roll. This is going to go, oh yeah, I did have to put it together first because I've got to get the ribbon around it. Right, Seal Plus. Forgot that bit. Putting the ribbon round. Oh, stop picking up the, there we go. So and I'm going to use, oh, what coloured ribbon shall I use? So I don't have a Melon Mambo ribbon. I've got Magenta Madness, but I think that might be a bit on the bright side. We'll have a look, shall we? So this is how the box mechanism works, just simply like that. The reason I put ribbon round is no peeking, but also it does gape very slightly there. Let's have a look at this. Is this going to be too... it'll be okay. That's good. So I'm going to tie my bow first and then position afterwards. Oh, I need that bit. Okay, how have I just managed to completely twist that bit? I thought I was doing well with the bow then. Apparently not. Oh, that's quite a good looking bow. I couldn't do that again. I'm just going to position that and twist it to the side, and then I can pop this over. And then just to finish, I want some of my opal rounds, which are very pretty, and they are glitter encased. It's holographic glitter inside epoxy domes. So there's big and small, so I'm going to put the big ones in the centre of the big flowers. And then small in the centre of the small ones. Pop them away. That is my project for today. What do you think? I love them. I think they're very charming, totally delightful. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.